Hello friends, welcome to Classes of Breathe and congratulations to you. ICSE board has declared the timetable for your board exams. So I will discuss in this video rescheduled timetable of ICSE and ISC year 2020 examination of 10th and 12th. Okay, so let's start. I will tell you what is the schedule. So you can see here I have open here Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations site. So this is released on May 2022, means today, okay, by the ICSE board. So press release subject is that conduct for the remaining subjects papers for the ICSE and ISC year 2020 examinations. So the CISE is pleased to announce the revised schedules for the remaining subjects or papers of the ICSE and ISC year 2020 examinations, which are as follows. ICSE 2020 of class 10 from 2nd July to 12th July 2020, and ISC 2020, that is your class 12, is your from 1st July to 14th July 2020. Okay, so let's see, you can log into www.cisc.org and find this type of pages. Okay, then it is written here Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination. So this is your 12th board revised schedule here. Timetable for the 12th class. First is July 1. It will start from July 1, that is your biology theory, and next will be on July 3rd, that is your business studies. Then July 5 is your geography, July 7 is your physiology, July 9 is your sociology, July 11 is your home science theory, July 13 is your electives English, and July 14 will be your art 5 and craft. So let's see ICSE class 10th timetable. July 2nd, that is your geography. July 4 is your art paper 4. July 6 is your group 3 elective. Here it is mentioned the names of the subjects which are under the group 3 elective. You can see this. Then Wednesday, that is your July 8 will be your Hindi. Then July 10 will be your biology. Then July 12 will be your economics group 2 elective. Now board has given us some ensure, that is important instructions to be strictly followed by the candidates appearing for the examination. So first is that candidates must reach the examination center well ahead of time to ensure staggered movement and smooth entry to avoid overcrowding. Then second is that candidates must maintain social distancing in their movement from the main school gate to the examination hall. It is very important in this situation, so you must do social distancing. Then third is here during entry to and exit from the examination hall, candidates are advised to do so in a staggered manner to maintain social distancing norms. Fourth is candidates must use face mask, cover and carry their own hand sanitizer. The use of gloves is optional. Okay. Then fifth is candidates are required to bring their own writing stationery, art material and avoid sharing the same with other candidates. Then sixth is that candidates are required to carry their admission cards to the examination halls. Then seventh is written here, in addition to the time indicating on the timetable for writing the paper, 15 minutes time is given for reading the question paper. Eighth is the question paper will be distributed to candidates at 10:45 am to enable them to start writing at 11 am. Ninth is that candidates need to strictly follow all the safety instructions at the examination center. So these are the instructions given by the ICSE board to be followed by the candidates. So you must follow this because this is for your safety only. So this much only the ICSE board has declared. So if you have not watched my videos of revisions, then you must watch it. I am only providing you the from class 10 to class 7 study materials. Okay, So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.